Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add Capital One card to Apple Pay, so let's jump right in. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your digital cards are stored for easy and secure payments. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the plus icon to begin adding a new card. You'll then see a few options on the screen. Select Debit or Credit Card and tap Continue to proceed. At this point, you'll need to enter your Capital One card details. You can either scan the card using your iPhone's camera or manually input the required information, such as your name and card number. Once you've entered the details, follow any on-screen instructions to verify your card. This may involve a quick verification process, like receiving a one-time code from Capital One. After the verification is complete, your Capital One card will be successfully added to Apple Pay. You can now use it for secure, contactless payments with just your iPhone or Apple Watch.